Good morning, children. Today we will study about labeling. Labeling means putting identification marks on the package. So when the identification mark is put on the package, it is called labeling. Label is a carrier of information and provides information like name of the product, name of the manufacturer, content of the product, expiry and manufacturing date, general information for use, weights, etc. So what are contained in the label? So label is basically a carrier of information, and this label provides the information like name of the products, name of the manufacturer, content of the product, expiry and manufacturing dates, general information for use, weight, etc. All these things are done in the labeling. Now what labeling performs following functions. What are the functions of the labeling? There are basically 5 functions of the labeling. The first function of labeling is identify the product. Labeling helps the customers to identify the product from the various types available. So to the customer, various types of products are available, and by seeing the label, the customer will be able to identify the product. For example, we can easily identify the Cadbury chocolate from the various chocolates by purple color of their label. So it's very easy to identify the Cadbury chocolate because Cadbury chocolate has its purple color, and thus it helps in identifying the product. Now the second function of labeling is describe the product and specify its content. The manufacturer print all the information related to the products on the packet. So labeling describes about the product. On the packet, description about the product is also written, and it also specifies the content of the product, what all things are there, ingredients are used to make the product is also given on the packet, and all this comes under labeling. The third function of labeling is grading of product. With the help of label, product can be graded different categories. So if we want to grade the product into different categories, we have to do a proper labeling. A very good example is a Brook Bond red label, Brook Bond yellow label, Brook Bond green label. All these are done through the process of grading. The fourth function of labeling is helps in promotion of product. So labeling helps in the promotion of the product. Attractive and colorful label excite the customers and induce them to buy the product. Labeling is always made attractive and colorful, which excites the customer, and then customers are induced to buy the product. For example, 40% extra free mentioned on the detergent always induces the customer to buy the detergent. And the last function of labeling is providing information required by law. There is a legal compulsion to print batch number, content, maximum retail price, weight, volume on all the product, and statutory warnings on the packets of cigarette. Smoking is injurious to health. So we have seen that the law has also made certain things compulsory at the time of packaging. Labeling should be done of the batch number, content, maximum retail price, weight and volume. And if it's a product something which is injurious to health, like on the packet of cigarette, on the alcoholic product, the government has made it compulsory to write smoking is injurious to health. In case of hazardous or poisonous material, appropriate safety warning needs to be put. All these are compulsory from the government, and all these are done in the labeling. Therefore, The fifth function is providing information required by the law. Today only this much. Thank you.